everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just opened diamondpaintingdrills.com. This is my November sample of the month. I went and rushed over and ordered the day they went live. Well, that's a lie. The second, no, it's not a lie. The first day they went live, I went over and ordered. Let me see here. Yes, November 1st. Whoop, doo-doo-doo. And what I love is I get both the round and the square, and it's anything that's the color of the month. So if you get the sampler or if you get the normal bags that are one of the colors of the month, it's 20% off for that month. So I'm super excited, and by buying 2 of them, I also get the free shipping because it qualifies me for it. I did buy some extra stuff on the side as well. Thank you so much, Alyssa. Okay, so here we go. November round, November square. Are you guys ready to see? I am an affiliate with them. Feel free to check out the link down below. It just kind of, if you're ordering it anyway, it just helps me be able to bless you and purchase more items to give away for you. So this is the square. So excited. Are you guys ready to see? Look at that! So it's the oranges and yellows. It's just, I call them like pumpkin colors. So you got 740, 742, 972, 743, 722, etc., etc. I do plan, I've bought through the whole year, so January through December. I do plan after December going back through and like reorganizing based on numbers, because I found it's hard for me to like pull out all 12 months and try to find a number if I want to enhance. So this is the square. Also, she does tell you what colors are in the sample packs, so you can look before you purchase to see if that's something that you want. Because she does have great pictures. However, sometimes, you know, it helps to have the DMC. Okay, so here's the round. Glitter. And the round is very similar. So you've got, let me see if there's any differences at all. Sometimes there are and sometimes there's not. This month there's not. So you get the same color in round and the same color in square. Again, Zoe, my dog is getting into the boxes. Okay, so I'm super excited. This is my November sample of the month. And then she always gives you a cute little sticker. And then I purchased this. I purchased this because I hope with Rebecca to be doing the landscape of Notre Dame. And so I purchased some of these. She has out these beautiful rose gold, what does she call them? Metallic drills. So I got a square and a round in rose gold, and I got a square and the round in, I always say this wrong. I always want to say Hermione from Harry Potter. Hematite? Yes. See, we're all not perfect. So I did get those to get myself ready for January. So yes, check her out. She does have a Black Friday sale that's going on. It started Friday. I need to check how long it's going for. I don't know if I'll get this video up in time, but it always pays to check your favorite sites from time to time to see what the sales are. So thank you so much, diamondpaintingdrills.com, which is Alyssa over there. I'm super excited to be supporting small businesses. And yeah, I can't wait to see what you purchase. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.